Why should you invest in Dubai property even if you are not planning to move here? You may already have multiple assets in your home country portfolio or have been seeing the hype about Dubai real estate, but haven't really jumped in to invest because in truth, you are not planning to move to Dubai tomorrow. I am Zoheb, founder of Original Bull and Bear Properties, and I work with local and overseas investors every single day to optimize their Dubai real estate portfolios. Dubai is in a special place in its timeline. It's a young country and is experiencing the success of a growing economy. Massive population growth, infrastructure boom, global business hub status. But these aren't the only things that make it a great investment. It actually has a massive advantage. Dubai has cities like London and New York to look up to and has been learning for more than 50 years. Dubai can learn from mistakes, optimize and focus on growing. Now there are 4 key areas that make Dubai such a good investment destination: safety, taxation, emigration. First, safety, your money's protection. Dubai has the lowest crime rates. You can walk anywhere at 2 a.m. with cash in your pocket. No second thoughts. 24/7 CCTV, zero tolerance policing, and a culture where safety is priority 1. Having an overseas investment isn't just about returns, but being able to sleep at night knowing your asset is in the safest hands possible, even when you're not physically present. Second is the taxation, where your profits can actually end up in your pocket. Dubai has zero personal income tax, zero capital gains tax, and zero inheritance tax. In real estate, your rental yields will be around 6 to 8% net in prime areas because nothing gets eaten by tax and you get to keep what you earn. Third is immigration, and this is what keeps prices climbing. Dubai gets more than 100,000 new residents every quarter, and it has surpassed 4 million residents in the year 2025. The Golden Visa program keeps bringing high net worth individuals who buy property to secure residency, and every new millionaire moving here needs a home. That's your tenant. That's your buyer in 5 years. Demand isn't theoretical, but reliable and is growing. Fourth is emigration, the silent killer of property values. Dubai has near zero emigration of capital. Once you're here, even if you didn't plan to, you end up staying. It has 95% plus tenant retention, while property owners double down and build portfolios. Your property will not sit empty. It works every month, every year. Every other older city in the world, London and New York for example, built their empires through trial and error. Decades of policy mistakes, tax hikes, crime spikes, migration U-turns. Dubai watched it and learned from every stumble. Then built a system from scratch with safety as a priority, tax-free to attract capital, pro-immigration policies and investor protections. Dubai is doing what older cities did in their golden eras and executing it right the first time. So for the overseas investors, you really don't need to move to Dubai to justify buying here. It's not competing with your London or New York or home country holdings. It's complementing them, providing a safety net for your portfolio. When Western markets hiccup, Dubai will keep delivering. Hit like if this made you rethink your next investment move. Share it with that investor friend who's waiting for the right time, and subscribe for more Dubai investment insights. I'm Zoheb, and I'll see you in the next piece.